Hello guys, I'm using a new player mod, new save save skin. Yep, I created another build for to honor the what am I doing? The sport. Yep, this is a spider. So this is the spider. It's the spider variant. Yep, the sport. It's now. It's not. It's bigger. Bigger than before. So it's now spider variant. It's not big enough to have. It's not big enough. Guess what? To simulate other things. Only chickens. So it need to be face 78. Yep, it need to be face 78 to even infect, to not only infect chickens. Yep, this is a hand. It's coming out the mouth. But eat. Bye bye.